Believe it or not, most people go into buying life insurance completely blind. This guide will show you the 5 things you need to know before making one of the most important investments in your family's future. Starting with number 1, do you want to be buried or cremated? This is important to know because it determines how much insurance you will need. A burial is more expensive than a cremation, so if you choose to be buried, you'll need to get a larger policy. Number 2, what is your budget? So many of my clients will try to go for the highest payout they can think of. While this is a very generous thought for your family, there is no point in buying a life insurance policy if you can't make the payment or if it puts you in a tough spot. This is meant to be a payment that you will make for the rest of your life. That way it will be there when your family needs it most. Number 3, are you working with an insurance broker? A broker works with multiple companies that can shop the market to help you find the best coverage for the cheapest price. A captive agent only works with one company and is limited in the options they can show you. Don't just work with anybody. Make sure that the person you're working with has an active insurance license in your state and is someone you feel like you can trust. Number 4, what type of insurance do you need? Term or whole life? Term life insurance is like milk, eggs, and cheese. Once it expires, you just throw it out. You typically get more insurance for less money, but it only covers you for a limited time. Whole life insurance is more like a Twinkie. It never expires. As long as you pay your premium, your policy will be there when your family needs it most. Just like the name says, it covers you for your whole life. I found that term policies are typically best for younger and healthier people. This is because they typically only last for 20 to 30 years, and oftentimes the price can increase as you get older. If you're planning on purchasing a final expense policy, it's typically best to go with whole life because the price stays the same, and as long as you pay your premium, it will be there when your family needs it. Remember, the younger and healthier you are, the cheaper your policy is going to be. It's a good idea to lock in a rate while you're young so that you don't end up paying a fortune for life insurance. And the last thing you need to consider is who you would like to make your primary beneficiary. This is who will inherit the money if you were to pass. This is a very emotional decision for most people, but the good news is that you can have multiple beneficiaries on the same policy, so don't worry about having to pick favorites. If you would like to leave money behind with this policy, then make sure to add that on top of whatever you anticipate for funeral costs. Now that we've covered everything, you should feel more confident when you speak to a licensed broker. As a broker licensed in your state, I help hundreds of my clients each month protect their families from financial burden. Click the Get My Free Quote button below to see how you can get the most coverage for your family at the lowest price possible.